Discipleship Video Online is on the lookout for good video content that could help the church. We'd love to display your district's talent on our website. No, we are not interested in sermons, but we are looking for helpful video resources for the church. Resources that might be used in a workshop for church leaders at your district event. So I'll ask you directly, pastors or church leaders, have you been asked to share a presentation in a workshop at a district assembly, an NYI or NMI conventions, or some other district event? If so, I'd like to have a recording of your presentation. Coronavirus has given us an especially good time to share content online instead of gathering in person. So help me share your content. District leaders like District Superintendents, District Secretaries, or NMI or NYI presidents, have you heard any good content coming from your own district that others ought to hear? If so, please contact me. I'd like to have a recording of your presentation. If you don't have anything already recorded, why don't you still contact me and we might be able to figure out who can record on your district. If you have something already recorded, fantastic. Send us a link to download it. We can always share what you have already done. We aren't in the business of sharing sermons. The internet is already full of those already. Someday we might create a collection, an RSS feed from various churches where good holiness sermons can all be found in one place. In the meantime, though, we'd be glad to take presentations that educate church leaders. Ideas would include church leadership best practices, church organization best practices, camp and BBS resources, navigating relationships in the church, politics in the church, spiritual formation lessons, embodied spirituality. Topics like sex, suicide, and addiction, etc. are all good topics. Age level ministries, best practices, and digital resources for the lectionary. Our vision is to provide local leadership resources to the global Wesleyan Church to help her grow in grace. Will you help us on our mission by sharing this video? If not you, then who? Thank you so much. Contact me at Discipleship Video Online in Facebook. Or contact me at forrest@discipleshipvideo.online. Thank you.